Have you ever heard the phrase, pull someone's leg? It's a common English idiom that means to joke or tease someone in a playful manner. The origin of this idiom is a bit unclear, but it's believed to have originated in England. Some say it comes from street thieves who would trip their victims to rob them. Another theory suggests it might have come from the way people used to play tricks on each other by literally pulling their legs to make them stumble. Regardless of its true origin, pull someone's leg has become a staple in modern English. It's a light-hearted way to indicate that you're just joking. For example, if your friend tells you they won the lottery and it's not true, they might say, "I'm just pulling your leg." Imagine someone claims they saw a flying pig. When you react in disbelief, they might admit, "I was pulling your leg." In another scenario, if a coworker says the boss is giving everyone a bonus, only to reveal it was a joke, they're pulling your leg. If a child tells you there's a monster under the bed and then laughs, they're pulling your leg. When someone insists they can eat 50 hot dogs in one sitting, but then laughs, they're definitely pulling your leg. Understanding idioms like pull someone's leg can add a lot of color and humor to your conversations. They make language more vibrant and engaging. So next time you hear a story that's too outrageous to be true, you might want to ask, "Are you pulling my leg?" Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enriching content.